Look at these benchuts. Run, benchut. Run, benchut. The rain is coming. Is this still filming, baby?
Yeah.
Can you press there for the zoom to on my face?
Zoom.
No. Press on it to zoom on my face. Focus on my face, not zoom. So bad, eh?
Em gửi điện thừa.
It's yummy, this beer. This is good. Oh, look at that. The child has the mask on. Look. It's crazy. Child with the mask on. It's 100% retarded from the parents. The parents are okay. They're not scared. But he's scared. This bench should stop right here next to us. So noisy. Look, he's got the excavator too. Take him to that excavator. Look, he's coming back. He's coming back with the tree. So bad. This is nice about these places where nobody is. We can do whatever. Play when we want, do whatever we want. They have to put that bullshit tax there. It's fake. They don't pay any tax. All fucking time they pay tax. It's another way to rip you off, like 10% off. That's the tip. The clouds look kind of funny. It might rain, but we don't want any sun. We got the suntan already. Look at this benchot coming. Mother chot. Look at the parents, you know, he's dressed like the wedding. He's got the lacquer shoes. They're crazy, these ones, baby. The mother chot is coming. These children like the beach. They're happy here. No? Look at this Ben chot. Mother chot. Can you believe him? Come on. The mask is on too here. Do you know how you can tell that there is no sign of brain inside their head? If they're wearing a mask, that means it's zero inside. Can you believe this is at the 5-star beach? Imagine if this was somewhere in Phu Quoc, how will this one pass? Because there would be nobody. Huh? How will he pass? Ah.